Did you find a flip-flop? What are you doing, Stormy? Are you making a mess? Stormy, are you making a mess? Are you making a mess for Mommy to clean up? That goes in your hair.
Well, I can assure you he's quite safe with me.
What are you doing? You are sitting in your toy box, honey. That's so funny. You're so cute, Stormy.
Wow.
Wow. Can you say curler? That's a curler, Stormy. It goes in your hair. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Whoa.
Say bye, everybody.
If you put one fin
Thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day.
Nemo!